If you're heading to Sardinia anytime soon and are curious about boat tours, we wanted to share our experience of the tour we took from Palau to the Maddalena Archipelago.
After doing a bit of research, we ended up buying our tickets from the Get Your Guide app for $53 per person. The boat tour was about 8 hours long. We stopped at 4 different locations and had a half-hour lunch break. If you want to book these tickets, we'll have the links in the description.
We started our day leaving from Olbia, where we stayed and drove around 40 minutes to Palau. We found free parking about an 8-minute walk from the marina, but if you don't want to stress about it, you can park at the Port of Palau parking lot. Don't forget to bring coins, since they only accept coins or payment through the parking app. There are QR codes for you to download the app on signs around the parking lot.
Our boat was named Maggior Leggero 2. Upon arriving, we paid the landing tax in cash. The landing tax is €5 per person from June through August and €2.50 in May, September, and October.
There are 2 pick-up and drop-off points on the tour, one in Palau and the other one on La Maddalena Island. After we boarded in Palau, our first stop was La Maddalena Island to pick up more people. Since it was shoulder season and we arrived 45 minutes before boarding time, we had a table to ourselves, which was really nice. Boarding time was 10:15 a.m., and they recommend arriving at least 30 minutes early.
Our first stop was Budelli Island, known for its crystal clear turquoise waters. The boat driver did a great job spinning the boat 360 degrees, so everyone on board could see the beautiful island from any part of the boat. Then we had 30 minutes to jump off the boat and swim around.
Our second stop was Santa Maria Island, to sit on the beach, enjoy the sun, and swim in the ice-cold blue waters. We spent around 1.5 hours there. The whole beach was perfectly spread out, so we didn't feel cramped. Once back on the boat, we admired Spiaggia Rosa and its unique, used-to-be pink sand.
We had our lunch break while anchored. The boat has a few lunch options like pasta plates, sandwiches, and drinks for an extra price. We opted out bringing our own sandwiches, snacks, water, and espresso shots from the market.
After the lunch break, our third stop was Cala Granara Beach, which had pool-like water. Cala Granara consists of 3 small coves, so you can pick whichever cove you prefer. We also saw a wild boar stealing someone's backpack because they brought food into the beach. So be careful and make sure to leave all your food on the boat before you step on the beach.
After our 1.5-hour stop at Cala Granara, we continued on the tour past the island of Santo Stefano, Caprera, and the bare rock of Palau. For the entirety of the trip, there was a multilingual explanation from the guide about the history of the archipelago.
The last stop before the end of the tour in Palau was back at the port of La Maddalena to drop people off and have an hour of free time to walk around admiring the port. The picturesque church of Santa Maria Maddalena, get some gelato, and shop for souvenirs in some of the local shops.
Thank you for watching. We hope this video was helpful. Please leave a comment with any questions or things we may have left out. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe.